Hi everyone, welcome to this quick video where I'll introduce you to my premium travel planning template. If you follow me or have already downloaded my templates, you know there is free version of this template available on my Ko-fi. The unique feature of this premium version is that it allows you to manage all your trips within a single template, whereas with the free version, you had to duplicate the template for each trip. As you can see on the home screen, we now have a new section, Manage My Trips, here on the left. It's a small database where you'll create your trips. The status will update automatically based on the dates. You can freely enter your destination or routes, the departure date, and the return date. The budget and notes are optional. Below, you have a timeline view that lets you see all your trips at a glance, as well as a calendar view that syncs with Notion's calendar. Returning to the home screen, let me explain a bit more about how I set up this template. For the list of places to visit, the activities list, and the travel journal, I decided to make a single database that's accessible across all trips. The reason is simple. You may very well choose to take multiple trips to the same city or country, and in that case, you only have to create your location once. Here, you can link it to each of the trips you want. The same goes for activities. You might decide to revisit the same place and redo an activity you enjoyed the first time. In that case, you just have to select the trip it's linked to. Finally, for the travel journal, I found it more user-friendly to be able to have all our summary cards here, no matter the trip. Of course, in all these databases, you can filter by trip. For instance, if you only want to keep France in our examples, just uncheck Japan and Rome and you only see France. You can adjust your filter to show only the trip you want to display. Let's take a quick look at the database. You can see that the related trips and trip statuses have been added here. A free place column compared to the free template was also added. This allows you to enter any location, even if it's not created in your place database. I figured, for example, that during a walk, you might want to note the places without needing to create them in the database. Then, for the budget tracking, the packing list, and the tips and notes, each trip will be managed individually. Here we can see our France budget is pre-filled and our Japan budget where I haven't added an example. I simply included this little example here with the daily budget to show that in the blank template you still have the reminder of the columns and formulas. For instance, if you enter 18 spent, we are below the theoretical budget of 20, so it's green. If I enter 25, it turns red. For the packing checklist, it's the same principle. Once you have created your trips, just fill in your checklist. For tips and notes, it's the same process. I haven't included an example here, but you'll see you have the blank template with the database ready to be filled in. Just a reminder, when you purchase the template, you'll get a link to a blank version with only the database structures, columns, formulas, etc., and you'll only need to fill it in. I also want to mention that all my templates only use the basic features of Notion. You don't need any additional subscription or third-party services, so there is no extra cost. These templates are plug-and-play with Notion's basic and free features. You'll find the link to download the template in the video description and on my YouTube profile. I look forward to hearing your feedback or improvement ideas in the comments of this video or on the Discord group. See you soon for new videos.